Hi, Joe Cerrone, Oakton College.
Now, Rosen.
Welcome to CAD 136 and our weekly Zoom classroom meeting.
Hey, Joe, can you go over that student assistant program we have going?
Sure, no problem. As we take a look at the courses that we're offering the CAD 136 and a number of other courses online. And we realize that it may not give students the opportunity to ask questions and things, and so we've made ourselves available for assistance with the course. And so Wednesdays from 9 a.m. to 12:30, students are welcome to come out to the Skokie campus, P131, if they need additional assistance. Thursdays, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., Skokie campus, P131. And Fridays, we're going to provide online support for students via Zoom. And so if you have some questions or just need some extra help on how to work with some of these computer modeling softwares and assignments, you can schedule a Zoom meeting with us on Friday between 8:30 and 10:30. And these are, we can be a little bit flexible with some of the times if you're available at other times, but we have that marked on our calendar as a time to provide student support. And then Sundays, students are also welcome to come in person, 8:30 to 1 p.m., Skokie room P132.
Fantastic, Joe. Thank you very much.
You bet. And here's our email, so if you are planning to come in, give us a heads up, let us know that you'll be stopping by, and we can be prepared to help you with that. We've released some new modules and some new videos on how to create those different drawing lab assignments. We had to move this meeting up earlier this today because I had some other things that I have to take care of, family matters. We'll put the meeting back on at 11 o'clock next week, and we'll record things and post them as we go through. And so our next module will be module 3, where we'll be modeling these furniture using solids. And we've got a couple of different couch designs that you can choose from and use your own creativity for those as we're pulling these from our CAD 134 textbook in the solid modeling area. If we take a look at the outline of topic, if we take a look at the due dates, module 2 is due on Sunday at 11:59, and then module 3 is due on the following Sunday at 11:59. And if we look at module 2 under content, essentially we're modeling this furniture of a small chair where students will draw the 2D geometry and then we'll model the 3D aspects of it. We have a video here for how to model the chair. As we go through, we'll walk through downloading the architectural title block, taking the chair geometry, and then just different modeling techniques for creating the legs for the chair, the back of the chair, differences between surfaces and solids. Remember, we have to have closed boundary shapes to create solids. And solids are a better tool for us to work with because they have volume and we can 3D print those. And so we'll walk through the different construction techniques for that. Put it on our title block, set the viewports, and then make sure that you update the title block for a nice looking drawing. Alrighty. So module 2 has the furniture exercise. Here's the PDF of the drawing. It's actually taken from some of the solid modeling from our textbook from the 134. All right, let's take a look at module 3 then. If we look under content, Module 3. And in Module 3 we'll work with solid primitives, create this table, and we want to start and progress in sort of a logical fashion. So as we start to work with these different modeling applications, being able to model furniture is an ideal application to learn 3D. And so we'll model the table, and then we'll model the couch.
Hey Joe, if they wanted to change the table a little bit, like put fillets in or chamfers in them, or decorative inlays or whatever else, can they do that?
Oh, definitely. I mean, I think that's sort of the thing that we look at as we get into the upper level courses, where students are at the last course within the certificate, that we want to be able to.
Good. Speaking of certificates, after taking these courses, can they get a certificate after taking this course?
They can. In fact, I think we want to put an announcement in there for students to apply for the certification prior to graduation, because they don't give the certificates out automatically. Students actually have to apply for it. And so if you've taken the CAD 134 class and then the 136 class is in progress, then you want to apply for that certification. And I believe that deadline will be coming up. Let me pause and we'll take a look and see when that is.
Yeah.
Resuming, as we start to continue with Module 3, you're going to want to make sure that you model the couch. And as you look at completing your certificate, just be sure that you apply for your certificate prior to your graduation. We have videos, as we were saying, for how to create these different CAD models. We'll walk you through. They are slightly different in designs. And we'll take you through how to model these from 2D to 3D. I did make the couch a little bit taller, I believe, than the overall, with the height of the legs that support it. But as we said, some creativity is welcomed within the course. And then our plan is to take the furniture and then to start putting it into a residential plan. And so we're starting off with modeling, teaching basic solid modeling, being able to model different features like the couch and the table and the chairs. And then we'll start working on a room where we model the room and then put in those furniture features. Alrighty. Back to the D2L, back to the main splash page. So remember, if you need any extra assistance, you can contact us. These are the hours that we're available. Module 2 is due on Sunday the 5th, and then Module 3 has been released for the chair that you can start on, and we'll take spring break the following week, and then we'll continue with Module 4 and our continued development of the course. With that, I'm going to stop the recording and open things up for questions.